What's up? What it do? What it do? And what it do? Welcome and welcome back, or welcome to the channel. My name is Alethea. For those of you that are new here, I thank you and I appreciate you so much for dropping in to check out or see another video of mine. If you have not subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that beautiful little bell for notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. In this video, this video is the second part of my Sephora VIB haul. And not only am I hauling this other part of my Sephora items, I am going to show you all some other items. My baby sister has recently become a part of the Paparazzi family, and she has jewelry that she's selling via Paparazzi. I'm going to find her link. I'm going to get her link. Yeah, and I'm going to put it in the description box below. So if you're someone that is into buying paparazzi jewelry, then please do purchase from my sister. Your girl would appreciate it. So with that being said, let me show you a few items that I have. She is supposed to be ordering me some other items, but right now these are the ones that I've gotten from her thus far. Because while I do like paparazzi, some of their stuff is over the top and I don't like the over the top stuff, and some of their stuff is like just right for me. Case in point, these earrings right here. I got these earrings from her, and these earrings are kind of like two-sided. They can go either way. It's a design on either side of them. So these are very, very, very cute. So these are the earrings I bought, and normally when I buy from Paparazzi, I always buy a set with the necklace and an earring because I feel like you get the most bang for your buck. But when I saw these earrings, and even though they didn't have a necklace, I felt like they just had my name all over them. I love them. And then the next thing I got from her is this little necklace right here. It's a silver necklace, and it has like the chain thing, and the earrings match the necklace design more so than here. And this just has like a purple gemstone on there. Purple is my favorite color, so of course that is why I got this. And then this little set right here has these little pink earrings, and then this necklace, let me get it right, rainbow colors. So you know your girl had to get it because it has this rainbow in there. Yep. So yeah, so I can't wait to wear this one. I really cannot. I bet it's gonna look so cute. Let me see. It doesn't match my outfit, but so now I'm not gonna wear it today. But so that is my necklace. All right, so now here are the final few items that I did get from the Sephora VIB sale. And y'all, I had to stop myself because I went back on that website on May 1st trying to see if I could find something else that I wanted to get, and I had to be like, girl, you don't need anything else? Leave it alone. But I didn't order anything from them, but I do have some orders coming from some other places. So I think in my previous video, I told you all about my Tarte order. I have to, yeah, that Tarte, I'm taking it back to FedEx today to get that rectified. I am not going to reorder the foundation, but the two concealers, I did choose two different colors to replace the two that did not fit me. And I'll say they did fit me because of the highlight part. If I wanted to highlight a little brighter, but I'm not with that over the top highlight, but I do like the highlight. All right, so with that being said, the other items I did get from Sephora. So I did purchase this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is what the box looks like. Now, what made me go ahead and get this primer is because a few months ago, I purchased this little travel size one, and this would be gone by now, but I was babysitting this because this primer is a newfound love of mine. Yes, it is. And y'all, let me tell y'all, just a quick little disclaimer. This Sephora haul was supposed to be bigger than this because I was just like, I asked P about getting something from the Sephora VIB sale, and it was like, no, I don't need anything. So that I was like, okay, I'm going to use that money to buy me some other stuff, but I didn't. So anyway, that was just a side note, like a story inside of a story. Anyway, so here is the full size bottle, and yes, this is, like I said, the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm loving this. Depending on how long you've been on my channel, once again, I think I say that every time I turn around, but I haven't been so pleased with BoxyCharm. And so if you've seen my BoxyCharm videos, then you know, but this is the one thing that BoxyCharm sent me last year that was like the best. the absolute best thing they could have sent me. This right here is great for my oily combination skin. It helps to hold back the oils because it kind of, I'm not gonna say dries them out, but my face doesn't feel dry when I finish it, but I could tell that it's clean, I guess you could say. So this right here is my favorite cleanser, and I have one on the kitchen sink. I have one on the bathroom sink right now that I am currently using, and at first I started not to get it, but I was like, wait, I'm going to be out of this before the next Sephora VIB sale, so let me go ahead and get one. And then, I don't know, sometimes I show y'all these samples and sometimes I don't, but they sent me this Demi Matte lipstick sample from Huda Beauty. Apparently I picked it, and I thought this sample pack was quite cute. So I guess it has all of her samples, all of the different ones in there, but here are these samples. And then on the back of it, it has the names of them. And normally sometimes I don't use my samples, but this one right here, girl, yeah, I'm gonna use this. And then I don't know who Stellar is, but I chose these foundation samples from whoever that is. All right, so the last thing that I did get from this sale, and y'all already know who my makeup pusher is. Yes, the Creative Lady, or Nappylicious TV, whichever one you want to use. I'll link her channel up in the cards above. I'll link both of her channels. Well, she has another one, but I'll link both her main two channels up in the cards so that you can go check her out. But it's her fault that I purchased this right here, and this is the the KVD eyeshadow palette. Kat Von D, it's still Kat Von D, but KVD, you know, they've taken the name and made it KVD, but this still has the Kat Von D on there. But it's vegan. It's the vegan. Is that what it's called? The vegan palette? Vegan Love eyeshadow palette. And this palette is too cute. And you know what I just realized? This palette did not come with one of those little plastic shield inserts in there. I like that. Oh yeah, that didn't bother me. I like that. But look at the heart-shaped mirror. That is so pretty. I love that. And then it has a little disclaimer here that says best applied with fingers. So this is best applied with your fingers. And look at those colors. It was on sale. I can't remember how much this eyeshadow palette was on sale for, but it was on sale. This blue would have worked good for my look I have going on today. But yeah, so I got this palette based off of her getting the palette, so I'm going to take it. You all don't know, but whenever I get new palettes, before I take them and put them with my other palettes, I sit them on my vanity so that way I could do a makeup look with them, whether I show it here on YouTube or whether I just wear it in real life. And most of the time I wore it in real life, but now I'm going to be sharing on YouTube because I'm going to bring the makeup videos in, baby, whether you watch them or not. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just kind of swatching some of these on my hand. These are some oh, y'all better stop. Y'all better stop. Look at it. That's just one swatch, one swipe. I put this color, this one, and this one on my hand. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. So is there anything else from this haul? Oh, one other thing I forgot. So this right here was a last minute thing as well. I saw Sid B use this on her channel, and it is the Velour Lash and Go eyeliner and lash adhesive hybrid. So this is the case that it comes in, and the video that I made creating this look, I used it today and I'm going to show it to you. But this is what the tube looks like, and this one I just put it on my eye like I would do my regular liquid liner, and then I just put the lash on it. Now I started with my right lash, and I normally start my left lash, so I had a little bit of trouble putting it on, but usually I do have trouble putting on my right lash. I don't know, but anyway, so but yeah, my lashes are on and they are fine. So yeah, so that is it, the last thing that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. And like I said, I do have some more hauls coming up because these people during this quarantine time have been having these sales, and your girl has been falling weak to the sales. But the one thing that gives me solace is the fact that they are sales. All right, so anyway, with that being said, that is it for this video. I do appreciate you coming to check out another video here on my channel. Thank you so much. Once again, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and make sure you go and check out some more videos here on my channel. Go ahead and get caught up. Get yourself up to speed with what's going on with your girl. Yes. So, as I always say, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.